The EDC lifestyle has taken the world by storm. Back in the day, a Walkman was the pinnacle of portable tech, but today's everyday carry gadgets have redefined what it means to be prepared, offering essential capabilities packed into slim, lightweight, grab-and-go designs. Join us as we count down 20 of the most impressive EDC gadgets that genuinely deserve a place in your daily rotation. Modern life demands smart solutions, and the MagFlash 2-in-1 cable delivers exactly that. This groundbreaking accessory combines blazing fast 100-watt charging with built-in storage options reaching up to 512 gigabytes, eliminating the need to juggle separate cables and drives. It plays nicely with smartphones, tablets, and laptops alike thanks to its broad compatibility. Built from premium-grade materials, it's designed to go the distance. Whether you're constantly traveling or just streamlining your desk setup, this cable cuts through the clutter and keeps pace with evolving technology through firmware updates. The MagFlash 2-in-1 is the kind of forward-thinking accessory that modern tech users didn't know they needed until now. Sometimes the best tools are the ones that look like they belong in a design museum. The James brand Palmer utility knife achieves that rare balance of form and function. Constructed from stainless steel and anodized aluminum for a build that's as tough as it is attractive. It's light enough to forget it's in your pocket, yet substantial enough to handle real-world cutting tasks. Ambidextrous by design, it accommodates left and right-handed users equally well. The tool-free blade replacement system is a standout feature. Swapping blades takes seconds without any extra equipment. A reliable locking mechanism keeps things safe during use, and its reusable nature makes it an eco-conscious choice. The Palmer is EDC refinement at its finest. Life can be repetitive, stressful, and mentally draining. The Smart Life Haptic Fidget is a small but surprisingly effective antidote. Designed for discreet, on-the-go use, this polished little gadget delivers satisfying haptic feedback that helps redirect anxious energy and sharpen focus. Premium construction ensures it holds up through daily handling, and its whisper-quiet operation means you can use it freely in offices, classrooms, or public transit without drawing unwanted attention. Whether you need help staying on task during a long work session or just want something to occupy restless hands during downtime, this compact carry item earns its place. Mental clarity and calm delivered in pocket-sized form. Nothing derails an outdoor adventure faster than a swarm of relentless mosquitoes. The Nitecore Mini Mosquito Repellent tackles that problem head-on with a sleek, ultra-compact device that provides up to 10 hours of continuous protection. Small enough to tuck into any bag or clip onto gear, it's ready to go wherever the trail leads, whether that's a backwoods campsite, a breezy lakeside picnic, or a weekend hike. Better yet, it skips the sticky sprays and heavy-scented lotions entirely. Eco-friendly and non-toxic, it's safe for people and the planet alike. For anyone who spends meaningful time outdoors, this little device is a quiet game changer that makes every adventure significantly more enjoyable. Big things come in small packages, and the true utility FishFace is living proof. This brilliantly engineered multi-tool packs 18 distinct functions into a form slim enough to ride along on a keychain or slip unnoticed into a pocket. Stainless steel construction gives it the strength and corrosion resistance needed for long-term reliability, while the lightweight profile ensures it never feels like a burden to carry. Screwdrivers, wrenches, a bottle opener, the FishFace handles them all without breaking a sweat. Whether tackling a home repair, popping open a cold drink, or dealing with an unexpected situation on the road, this versatile little tool is always up to the challenge. Pocket-sized preparedness redefined. When darkness falls, you want a flashlight that means business, and the Nitecore EDC35 absolutely delivers. Pumping out an extraordinary 5,000 lumens, this compact powerhouse throws light up to 550 meters, making it equally at home on a remote trail or in a pitch-black emergency.
A runtime reaching up to 90 hours means it won't leave you stranded, and the built-in 6,000 mAh 21700 lithium-ion battery recharges conveniently via USB-C. The NightLab Ultralight Intensity 40 Max LED sits at the heart of its exceptional performance, while the aerospace-grade aluminum housing keeps it rugged and lightweight. Special features like the Lumen Shield mode and a convenient tail stand for hands-free use round out an already impressive package. This flashlight outperforms tools twice its size. A disorganized EDC setup wastes time and creates frustration, and the Viperade VE28 is the fix. This thoughtfully designed carry pouch features multiple spacious compartments capable of accommodating everything from flashlights and multi-tools to pens and small accessories. Constructed from tough, high-quality nylon, it's built to handle the daily grind without showing signs of wear. Its slim, streamlined profile slides easily into a bag or pocket without adding unnecessary bulk. Secure zipper and Velcro closures keep contents protected and within easy reach whenever needed. Whether you're a hardcore outdoor enthusiast or simply someone who likes their gear neatly arranged, the VE28 brings order to the chaos of everyday carry in a practical, no-nonsense way. Compact, capable, and consistently reliable, the Wuben G2 flashlight checks every box for a dependable EDC light source. Powered by an Osram P9 LED, it generates up to 500 lumens and illuminates objects up to 46 meters away. 5 adjustable output modes give you precise control over brightness depending on the situation at hand. USB-C charging fills the battery in just 1.5 hours, and the charger runs cool throughout, removing any overheating concerns. The G2's super wide-angle flood mode is particularly impressive, spreading light across a broad area that makes it ideal for camp setups or workspace illumination. For EDC enthusiasts who demand dependable lighting in a carry-friendly package, the Wuben G2 is a standout performer that punches well above its weight. Losing your wallet is one of life's most avoidable frustrations, and the Dango S1 Stealth EDC wallet is designed to make it nearly impossible. Featuring a D-loop attachment point that anchors to belt loops, cords, or chains, this wallet stays close no matter what. RFID blocking technology shields your card data from digital theft, keeping your financial information secure in an increasingly connected world. Despite its impressively slim footprint, the S1 Stealth accommodates up to 9 cards with ease. A multi-tool sheath adds a layer of everyday utility, while a dedicated pocket handles house keys or SIM cards. Constructed from ultralight nylon, it adds almost nothing to your carry weight. For those who want function without the bulk, the S1 Stealth wallet is a wallet worth trusting. The WorkPro utility knife is built to handle all of it without hesitation. Fully constructed from stainless steel, this compact and lightweight knife is designed for one-handed operation, allowing you to deploy the blade quickly and effortlessly in any situation. Its fast blade change system is one of its most appreciated features among regular users, making it simple to swap out a dull blade and get right back to work. Lightweight yet durable, straightforward yet versatile, the WorkPro utility knife earns its keep as a no-fuss, high-performance cutting tool for everyday use. The Screw Pop tool key proves that emphatically. This 15-in-1 powerhouse is thin enough to slot into a wallet, clip onto a key ring, or attach to a carabiner, meaning it's always within arm's reach. Precision crafted from durable stainless steel using an advanced metal injection molding process, it delivers reliability that belies its diminutive size. A built-in neodymium magnet lets it stick to metal surfaces like a refrigerator or toolbox, so it's never misplaced. Functions include a bottle opener, flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, wire stripper, can opener, ruler, bit driver, box scorer, file, and more. Instead of rummaging through drawers for the right tool, the Screw Pop tool key keeps everything accessible in one brilliantly compact package. Pocket clutter is a real problem for EDC enthusiasts. The Viperade VE18S small EDC pouch offers a smart, organized solution.
Made from robust 500D polyester fabric, this compact organizer is built to handle everyday demands while keeping your essentials neatly separated and easy to find. YKK zippers ensure smooth, reliable access every single time. The pouch's versatility extends beyond simple storage. Use it as a shoulder tool bag, card or coin purse, phone holster, or notebook sleeve depending on your needs. Two small webbing straps allow for quick attachment to other bags or gear, enhancing its portability. For EDC users who want everything in its place without sacrificing convenience or style, the VE18S is a practical and popular favorite. Small essentials have a frustrating habit of disappearing into bag pockets and junk drawers. The Dango capsule set solves that problem elegantly. This machined aluminum capsule set provides a secure, weatherproof home for tiny carry items like coins, toothpicks, matches, magnesium flint sticks, screws, and more. A lanyard hole lets you clip it directly to a key ring or paracord, keeping everything within reach at a moment's notice. Impressively, the capsule is also food safe, opening up even more storage possibilities. Lightweight and virtually indestructible, it adds minimal weight to any carry setup while maximizing the utility of the smallest items in your collection. The Dango capsule set is proof that even the tiniest details of your EDC deserve a thoughtful solution. For those who believe a wallet should be as much a statement as it is a tool, the Lucas from JJ Leathersmith is an outstanding choice. Produced in small batches, each wallet carries a sense of exclusivity and craftsmanship that mass-produced alternatives simply cannot replicate. The leather is selected for its ability to age gracefully, developing a rich, personal patina over years of use that makes every piece completely unique. Available in two compact sizes suited for both USD and international currency formats, the Lucas stores cards and cash without unnecessary bulk. For those seeking the pinnacle of luxury, a Shell Cordovan leather edition offers a rare, coveted material celebrated for its extraordinary durability and refined beauty. This is a wallet built not just for today, but to improve with every passing year. The Shargeek capsule earns its EDC credentials by doing far more than any single gadget of its size should reasonably manage. Its striking cyberpunk aesthetic immediately sets it apart visually, while a 5,000 mAh internal battery and 20-watt USB-C output keep smartphones, tablets, and gaming consoles charged on the go. But power delivery is only part of the story. 4 built-in timer modes, including a gravity-sensing visual timer, digital hourglass, and Pomodoro timer, transform it into a productivity tool as well. The clear LED display reads easily across 3 brightness settings, making it user-friendly for a wide range of ages. Compact, multifunctional, and undeniably cool, the Shargeek capsule is one of those rare EDC gadgets that manages to genuinely surprise you with how much value it delivers. Organization meets tactical edge with the OneTigris ID card holder, a practical yet stylish EDC accessory that keeps your most needed items easily accessible throughout the day. Constructed from 500D Cordura nylon, it's lightweight but built to endure the demands of daily use without complaint. A transparent badge window lets you display your ID at a glance, while a wallet-style pocket provides additional card storage. Wear it horizontally or vertically depending on your preference. An elastic pen loop keeps a writing instrument immediately on hand, and the rear card holder detaches for direct attachment to vests or bags. A matte black split ring accommodates keys, lanyards, or carabiners. Available in multicam color, this holder brings tactical functionality and clean aesthetics together in one versatile, easy-to-maintain package. Small but seriously capable, the QSP Mini Penguin knife is a refined EDC blade that doesn't compromise on quality despite its compact dimensions. The sheep's foot blade, forged from Sandvik 14C28N steel, maintains an exceptional edge and offers the kind of durability that holds up through years of regular use. Ceramic ball bearings make deployment smooth and nearly effortless, while the reversible deep carry pocket clip accommodates both left and right-handed carries comfortably. The fiberglass handle delivers a secure, confident grip, and a lanyard hole adds an extra attachment option for those who like to keep their knife tethered. Available in multiple blade finishes and handle configurations, the Mini Penguin brings customization together with everyday practicality in a package that's easy to carry and a pleasure to use. The Leatherman Super Tool 300 stands in a league of its own. 19 individual tools crafted from premium stainless steel make this one of the most comprehensively equipped multi-tools available for everyday carry. The pliers, the strongest Leatherman has ever engineered, anchor a lineup that includes needle nose and fuse wire cutters, a military-spec cap crimper, an electrical crimper, a wire stripper, combo knife, saw, owl, file, rulers, can and bottle openers, and multiple screwdrivers in various sizes. Every tool locks securely when fully opened, with the exception of the pliers head itself. The ergonomic handle is designed to remain comfortable even when wearing gloves, making it ready for heavy-duty work in demanding conditions. This is multi-tool perfection. Great multi-tools deserve great carry solutions, and the Leatherman Pocket Clip delivers exactly that. This simple but ingenious accessory attaches your Leatherman tool securely to a pocket, belt, or bag, ensuring it remains immediately accessible without digging through a pack or pouch. Compatible with a wide selection of Leatherman models, including the Free Series, Surge, Wave Plus, Charge Plus, TTI, Sidekick, Wingman, Bond, Curl, and Mutt, it offers broad versatility across the brand's lineup. Installation and removal are straightforward, making repositioning or swapping between tools effortless. Choose between a polished stainless steel finish or a low-profile black oxide coating, depending on your preferred aesthetic. It's a small addition that meaningfully improves the daily carry experience for any Leatherman owner. Saving the most distinctive entry for last, the Gravity Knife from Daily Carry Company is a genuinely unique piece of EDC engineering. Its gravity-activated opening mechanism is both deeply satisfying in practice and highly functional, smooth, reliable, and endlessly repeatable. The M390 blade material is among the finest available in the knife world, holding a razor edge through prolonged use, while the polished finish lends the blade an air of sophistication. The precision-machined Grade 5 titanium body is virtually indestructible, delivering a lifetime of dependable performance. Useful for everything from opening mail and cutting fruit to emergency seatbelt cutting, this knife covers an impressive range of everyday scenarios. A sand-blasted titanium finish and fully serviceable design complete a knife that's as functional as it is striking. And there you have it, 20 of the coolest, most capable EDC gadgets worth adding to your everyday carry collection. Thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts in the comments below and share this video with anyone who loves great gear.